Hi guys, welcome again to Perform FX Trader. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what I am trading, and we'll be looking at trading prior to non-farms tomorrow. It's Thursday the 6th of June, and I'm first going to take a look at cable, which is pound dollar. As you can see, it's had a nice run down and is currently in this pullback phase. It's come up to its daily 21 simple MA, and you can see it's also into the 78% fib level, and it's putting a shooting star and a doji candle. So my preference is for this to go down, and I am currently short. We've stopped somewhere above here for it to come down and break these prior highs of 150 plus pips. But I would keep a risk low if you're going to trade these pairs prior to non-farm, or probably stand aside and wait till non-farm's gone to start jumping into trades. If you can looking at 240, you can see price action has been a bit choppy, and you can see that it's come up to 78% fib level and it's put a nice bearish candle in there, but it's currently sitting on its 240 21 MA. So I'm just going to be watching this pair to see if it starts to break down, and if it can start to break down, then I will be looking to add to this trade. Okay, this trade is currently in a downtrend, so I would want to be trading down, and I've got a couple of signals up here to signal me to trade short. Euro dollar, it's similar to cable. It's come back up, but it's a bit choppy. It's put in like a shooting star, bearish candle, bullish engulfing, and another shooting star. So this pair as well, I'll be watching it tomorrow for another short play to come back down to its prior lows. Let's just go out to its daily. Actually, let's go out to the daily chart. You can see it a bit better. So it's currently into its daily 100, which is this green simple moving average, and also with this one as well, I would like it to come down, but obviously what you would like and what the market wants to do are two different things. So currently I'll be watching it for short trades tomorrow, and if it can push up, if it does continue to push up, I'll just stand aside, because to me, Euro's in the downtrend. It keeps sort of pulling back, and then just drops like a ton of bricks. So personally, I won't be trading this long. I will just be waiting to see if it can have some more downside. And sometimes it's best not to try and trade both sides of the market. If you have a view that the market's going to be a short, stick with your short view, because it makes it easier for you to get in and out of trades. Dollar yen, and this is another pair that's had a nice run down. I can see that it potentially could be some short-term bullishness to come up to its 61% fib, also around the daily 20 level. If you come down to T40, you can see it's got some divergence down here, and if you don't know what divergence is, this is on the MACD I'm looking at. So as price made a lower low, you can see that the MACD's made a higher high. So this is sort of a sign of a reversal, and you can use that to trade or get in and out of trades. So potentially you could put an order down here, or as it pulls back, buy it, and you'd be about 50 pips up if you took your profits at the prior highs. So as you can see, my preference on yen, if I did go long, would be to come up to around this daily 100 level prior highs. Actually, I think it's probably a trend line there as well. Yeah, so exactly. So you've got a trend line here, and you've also got the daily 100. So if this does a pullback, potentially I may go long dollar yen, and it will probably be around a 100 pip trade. So keep an eye on this tomorrow, see what the future brings post non-farm payrolls. Dollar CAD, I am currently short in dollar CAD, and I got into, let's go out to the daily first of all. You can see it's been in this choppy range, as if you look at my previous video, for quite a while, and now it seems that it could be potentially breaking out. So my preference on CAD is to trade it down to price of around, let's see, I'm looking for CAD to come down to around this level here to break the 61% fib level, and if it can keep going, then that could be a nice trade. So I did get in a bit late around here at 64, so I'm currently sitting 100 pips up, so it stops to break even, so I will be holding this through non-farm, and if it comes back in state and takes me out, so be it, but I've taken profit. But you make your money by letting your trades run longer and holding your trades for longer rather than cutting them early. So this trade could be a nice risk to reward, even if I can get down to these prior lows for about 300 pips, which is possible, and that would be me taking profit, maybe adding back in on pullbacks and taking profit as the market comes down. So me, I'm still bearish on CAD, and I will stay in this trade. It's currently, let's get rid of this. It's currently still down at its 51% fib level. Let's just go back out to the daily. And yeah, that's good. If we can lock below this level, you can see that the daily has gone to negative with fresh momentum coming into the downside. So if we can lock down below here after non-farm, if it makes a pullback anyway up to around this level, I'll be adding into this trade. New Zealand dollar, not trading this as I'm in too many trades as it is already. However, if you did want to trade it, it is currently into its 38% fib. So potentially, if you can get like some 4-hour, or well, you got some 4-hour signals here, you could potentially sell it. But as I said, I wouldn't sell it before non-farm, with a view of it coming down to its prior lows around here. So this could be potentially a 70 pip trade, or even more if it can keep going. But it is coming off its daily 50, so I will be looking at this pair after non-farm tomorrow. Potentially, I may trade it actually. Keep it small. If you stick it in, say, a 1 lot or £10 a point, and if you can get a nice tight stop, potentially you're looking at over 132 pips on that one. Aussie dollar, okay, I would like Aussie dollar to come up a bit more. Let's go out to the daily. So potentially I would like to take a sell on Aussie dollar off around this 50% fib level. So let's just go back. This actually, yeah. So if it can push up, if it pulls back here, then I'll potentially trade it up 92 pips here. Yeah, so if we can pull back to these prior lows, which it looks like it wants to do, then I'll trade it up to this area here, and then I'll get short. So comment down below, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and just let me know what you think. If you do have any sort of suggestions for what content you'd like to see on this channel, please email me or DM me on Instagram. The link is in the description.